Balanced and unbalanced forces. Objective: to learn about balanced and unbalanced forces. Take a look at this car at rest on a smooth road. It's being pulled in opposite directions by two groups of people using two ropes. If the car does not move, then it indicates that the magnitudes of the net forces applied on either side are equal. In other words, the forces acting on the car are balanced. The movement of the car towards either of the sides indicates that the magnitudes of the net forces applied on either side are unequal. In other words, the forces acting on the car are unbalanced forces. During the flight of an aeroplane, we can see that multiple forces are acting on the aeroplane, on account of which it moves forwards, upwards, and downwards. The first force is the thrust, which pushes the aeroplane forwards. This force is created by the engines, or the propellers of the aeroplane. The second force is the air drag, which pulls the aeroplane backwards. This is caused by the air particles bumping into the aeroplane. The third force is the lift, which pushes the aeroplane upwards. This force is created by the aeroplane as it moves through the air due to the shape of its wings. The fourth force is the weight of the aeroplane, which is actually the force of gravity pulling the aeroplane down towards the center of the Earth. When the forces are not balanced, the aeroplane can accelerate, which means it can speed up, slow down, or move up or down. For instance, when the thrust is bigger than the air drag, the aeroplane speeds up. When the lift is bigger than the weight, the aeroplane goes up faster. When the forces are balanced, the aeroplane cannot accelerate, which means it can fly in a straight line at a constant speed. Effect of balanced forces. When a person applies two equal and opposite forces on a rubber ball, by pressing it with his hands, the shape of the ball changes from spherical to oblong. This shows that balanced forces can change the shape of a body. Force can change the direction of a moving object. The direction of this tennis ball can be changed by hitting it with a racket. This shows that unbalanced forces acting on a body can change the direction of its motion. To summarize, balanced forces are those which do not bring about a change in the state of rest of a body or its uniform motion in a straight line. Unbalanced forces are those which bring about a change in the state of rest of a body or its uniform motion. Balanced forces can change the shape of a body. Unbalanced forces can change the direction of a moving body.